Hello guys, we are on a roll. We have another unboxing, but first I have another small announcement. Okay, alright, here we go. In the last two videos, I mentioned that I may start doing a vacation vlog because I do enjoy sharing some family moments and vacation moments and adventures. So I'm gonna, dabble a little with that. I also mentioned that I would be doing a Shein haul because my honey and I we did our family vacation. We're gonna do our, just couples vacation, he and I did a Shein haul for vacation. I ordered a bunch of stuff because it's always like a hit and miss with Shein, but I'm gonna attempt to try and do a Shein haul. And the announcement for this video is that I kind of finally want to do a video of all of my favorite palettes, eyeshadow palettes. I'm trying to think what I wanted to call it. It was something along the lines of like my wish list makeup, because I finally got the courage to go ahead and order all of my favorite palettes that I've been holding out on, because they're kind of expensive and it's like, do I need them, do I not? But I thought it'd be fun to do a cute little video of everything on my wish list, some swatches, and play around. So yeah, so I got that going on. Got a lot coming to you direct from Jen. Unboxing. What? Woo-woo. Okay, I don't know how to do all that. Anyway, today's unboxing is LookFantastic. This one is going to be my last subscription. I just don't mesh or whatever with the products. I don't usually use them. I do think, they have some hit or miss items that I love, but for the most part, I just can't do it anymore. Anyway, this box is $19 a month. Of course, if you subscribe for a longer period subscription, the price goes down $1 or so. It is a good box. You always get this beautiful box, very well made, larger than the glossy box. Sometimes they have a theme, sometimes they don't. This one says Beauty Beyond Boundaries. I'm wondering if it has something to do with the International Women's Day. I'm not sure. I haven't done sneak peeks. So anyway, they do always have this cool little saying inside. It says, "There is no force more powerful than a woman determined to rise." And that is the truth. So I bet it does have to do with International Women's Day or whatever. Then you always get this book. I believe they give you the full size price. Is this the one they give you full size and deluxe size price? I'm not too sure. No, they don't give any price at all, but here is the book with all of the stuff, all of the things. Very cute, wrapped with their own little labeled tissue paper. Here is a sneaky peek. And again, I didn't watch any spoilers or YouTube videos, so this is my honest reaction. I don't know what's in here. Alright, first thing we got here is facial radiance pads. Help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. Alcohol-free, safe for sensitive skin from First Aid Beauty. And it has this little lift here so you can pull them out. Let's see here. Where is this at? First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pad. Oh, this is a 10-pack. So I will put somewhere on the screen how much the 10-pack is, so we know, what we're getting for our $19. We definitely at least hit the $60 mark every time, so it is a good deal. The next thing is this Christoph Robin Regenerating Mask with Rare Prickly Pear Seed Oil. Now, I'm not quite sure what it do. Oh, that's nice. Look at how creamy It smells amazing. I love this brand. This is like a very bougie brand. Oh, it smells so refreshing. Oh, I love it. Like, I just want to use this on my hands. I don't know what you do. Let's see what directions say. Apply a small amount after shampooing. Massage from scalp to ends. Add water immensely. Emulsify. Okay, I can't read. Leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Hair feels sumptuous, smooth, and protected. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm happy with this. This is good. This is good. We're good. We're good. All right, next thing. Hava Dead Sea Mud Mineral Mud Soap. So this is interesting. Looks like, ooh, smells good. Kind of reminds me of hotel soap. What do you think? It smells good. It smells all right. Mud soap for body removes all impurities and refreshes the skin. Lather and rinse. Again, I'll put the pricing somewhere above that. Let's see. That did feel like all the stuff I've been putting on my hand today, making me feel dry. Okay, next. Oh look, we got a little sticker. I bet this was supposed to be on my tissue paper and it didn't get stuck. All right, this is Ice Source Moisturizing Cream. Let's see what it do. What do you do and how do you do it? From the first application, skin is rehydrated and glows with newfound suppleness and softness. Apply to clean face and neck. Oh, so it gets rid of the gobble gobble. Gobble gobble gobble. Let me see. It is sealed. Again, probably, you know, a few days worth. Put it on thy skin. It smells refreshing, or maybe, yeah, that other mud soap thing, like, since I'm using this little wipe, it like activated it, and that's all I feel all over now, like I made a mess. Okay, let me see. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. But do we really need another face cream? That's what I'm saying. So many face creams. But I guess, oh, it feels good and it smells good. Oh, I like it. I really like that for my hands, you know, maybe we can do it on the hands. Okay, next. Blossom and Blossom Wonder Worker Multitasking Balm. How to use. Apply with clean fingers to skin that needs extra attention for external use only. Okay. This one does not have a seal. We're going to put it on top of the other one. It's hard to tell because I smell the other stuff. Okay, let me put that a little further down on. Oh, nice and thick. Okay, this kind of reminds me, if you can see it rubbed in, it kind of reminds me of baby butt cream. Like, maybe it's good, but it feels like diaper rash cream to me. Yeah, it's kind of got a Vaseline. It's definitely got Vaseline texture in it, oily. Okay, I don't know, and it smells sort of like a butt cream as well, so I don't know about that. That one may not be cool for me. I don't know. I don't know what you think. Okay, last, oh no, there's still 2 more items. Holy cow, this is a good box. All right, so we got Brushworks. It's a little brow brush, looks like. Double-ended brow brush. Yep, that's what it says. Come on, camera. All right, anyway. So Sorry, I'm trying to sit up straight. I get tired after a few videos. Okay. Oh, very nice quality brush. Actually, it's a little loose here. It's gonna fall out, but that is okay. Here is the brush, and here is your spoolie. This is nice because I actually did need a newer one. I have two really old ones that I've had for a few years. So this is good. This is good. I'm happy with this. Again, we'll put pricing somewhere here or here. All right, last but not least is the Lottie London AM to PM eyeliner in black. Now, I believe I tried a Lottie London lip liner and it was the bomb. So I have, oh yeah, look at that. Yes, sir. All right, let's see how that baby glides. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice. Look at that puppy. Don't mind the mark, that was me. But look at how good that is. Oh, I love it. Okay, this is a really good box. Like, most of the stuff I usually don't use because it's so much like beauty product rather than makeup, and they're in such small little bottles, and I just never end up like, they, you know, I don't know. Anyway, let's go ahead and do a recap. So for $19, we got the black eyeliner. We got the makeup brush or eyeshadow brush. We got this hair conditioning cream. We got a purifying soap for thy body. We got this baby diaper rash stuff, is what I'm gonna call it. And we got this other face cream, and we got the pads. So, I mean, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 7 items this month. Usually I think it's only 6. So this was a good box. I really like, my favorite things in this box were these 3 items. So for $19, I'm happy with these 3. Again, I've already canceled this box, so it is what it is. This is the last one that I will be doing, just because of like these little things. They start adding up and being all over the house. I try to use them. Sometimes they only last a few days. It's, you know, it's just not my thing. I'm just not vibing with it anymore. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed the last unboxing. By the way, you can, what I use these boxes for is my overfill or overload of the makeup palettes and stuff. Works very well for that kind of a thing. So anyway, follow me on Instagram. Let me know what you thought. And all of that good stuff. And we will see you in the next video. Happy marching. We're done unmarching. This is the last March unboxing. So, bye-bye.